this was the weekend that we travelled up to Blackpool in the most beautiful, crisp evening air. There was a gorgeous sunset as I was driving up north, to the northwest of the country. It was absolutely gorgeous until we came to have a stop. Just before we stopped, we saw all of this snow on the ground and we was a bit concerned. What was we driving into? It was absolutely crazy.
So it is actually snowing and we've got like big snow here, look. It's the first that we've seen this year, so we just literally stopped to go a wee. And what do you think? What do you think of the snow? Yeah, we like it. Look at it.
We swapped to driving and poor Jasmine, look what she drove into.
So we've swapped over driving, obviously. I had the beautiful sunsets and the amazing sky that I was like, Jasmine, quick, get that, show them. And now she, bless her, has got the snow, which is not very nice.
Quite a lot of snow.
Quite a lot of snow, considering it's only the middle of November. But we are on our way far up north, up the country, into Blackpool, so bless her.
We saw in the far distance finally the Blackpool Tower, which was a welcome sight.
We so often end up checking in at the end rooms, which are the best ones, because you haven't got a neighbour that side. And we've come into this room with a lovely purple lighting, which is my favourite colour. Doesn't that look amazing? How cute is that? A new feature in the premiering rooms. Look at this. Little glass mugs. I like those. I like those a lot. And for our teas and coffees, we've got a little perspex little thing. How cute is that look? Doesn't it look nicer? And it's probably a lot easier for the maids to clean up as well. So we're not too sure, but we don't think this is a particularly posh room. But we've got a view. We can see grass outside, that's amazing. So yeah, so I'm loving that. So yeah, we had an amazing night's sleep, as you usually do at the Premier Inn. It's been a lovely stay. Our room didn't have any heating for some reason, and the lady did offer to move us, but we were snuggled by then. So we got out our hot water bottles. But anyway, the day is undecided about the weather, but that's all right. That's okay. We're off into town now to go and see a little bit of Blackpool, show you the tower, although we're not going to the tower this time, and we're going to go and see the new film Wicked, which I'm so excited about. Now, I've heard it's in 2 halves. This is like 2 hours and 40 minutes long. We've got a really nice cinema that we're going to that's got like nice armchair type seats and everything. So yeah, we're going to go and do that, and we're going to show you later on around the Norbreck Hotel, which apparently it's got some mixed reviews. So I do wonder what we're likely to find when we get there. But anyway, we've got to head because we've got to check out and park our car somewhere else and get a little Uber in, all in time to catch the beginning of the film. And we haven't actually eaten anything today either, so I don't know if we're going to get time.
We drove to the Norbreck Castle Hotel to park our car in there before we went into town.
So we have arrived and we're just going to go and register our car. We were thinking about getting a tram across, but because they stop every 15 minutes, but maybe not. We're thinking it's looking all right so far.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's decent.
First impressions were looking pretty good. It was a massive hotel and we were going to check it out a bit more later. So it's time for the cinema to go and see Wicked. We went to the Backlot cinema and we were so impressed with the place. It was one of those cinemas where you get lovely comfy chairs and they even bring in your food and drinks to you if you'd like them to. Now let me tell you, the staff here couldn't do enough for you. It was incredible. If you haven't seen Wicked yet, I would highly recommend you go and have a look. It was so inspirational. It's gorgeous, gorgeous film. We really enjoyed it, but moreover, we loved sitting in these seats. How gorgeous are they? And I love the fact that Jasmine's jacket matched the chairs.
So our film's just finished. What do we think?
Wow.
And it's very dark, but you've got to come and see it.
Yeah.
This cinema was awesome. Look at that. What a treat. Honestly, feel really emotional after the film.
So after we left the cinema, we embraced the cold northwesterly wind and we went off to find ourselves a lovely hot chocolate in the local Costas before we decided we were going to go back to the Norbreck Castle.
Oh, we're struggling to get an Uber because we can't get a signal, but we have got the Blackpool Tower behind us, and there's a fun fair on the seafront, but we're bloody freezing, so we need to get back to our hotel now. We've had such a nice afternoon, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh, don't know if we've got to just grab one of these taxis or...
Oh, £9 is saying here now.
£9 on an Uber.
The seafront was blustery, but we did have a quick look at the lights, which were really, really pretty, and these little horse and carriages. Not sure how I feel about that, but this is the Blackpool Illuminations. Look at those.
How is it, Jasmine?
Yeah, not too bad.
Let's do the knuckle test. It's a bit more solid than it was last night, but and it's very basic. We knew it's going to be basic. We've got some artwork. Biscuits? All right, we haven't looked at the bathroom yet. Because bath, oh, it's really large. Toilet, it's very cold in here. We got some soap, but we did bring our own. It looks clean enough. There's a shower over the bath. And there's a plug as well. Bonus. Pretty basic carpet. What do we think? What do we think? Yeah? There's loads of coat hangers, which is a question that I often get asked. It looks alright actually. I can't lie. There is a little a hairdryer in there as well, but we did bring our own one, so we're going to use that.
So on first impressions, thought the Norbrek Castle looked okay. It was basic. The staff were outstanding, couldn't do enough for you. And these ballrooms, there were so many of them, they were gorgeous.
So to say there was not much sleep going on because this rain that you've got out there was hammering on the window. Listen. Scary. And it was bloody freezing. And I tried to have a bath this morning, there's no hot water. So, yeah, I can't say I'm totally in love with the hotel, but it's alright. It's alright. In the afternoon, I had a 4-hour nap with my hot water bottle.
Loving this moment, can always stay here forever, forever.
So it's another evening time now, and we're going to go and watch a little bit of dancing, which is going to be really interesting. I'm excited to see what this is all about. It's warmed up in here, and pleased to say, and we've got hot water, so we're winning.
It was so good to get the hot water and to get seeing our friends and embracing, looking at some of the dancing. It was just wonderful. So then on the final day, I went and took a little tour outside just so I could film this to show you guys properly what the hotel looked like. It was huge, absolutely huge. Now in Blackpool you can get trams in and out of town. They come every sort of 15 minutes or so, so that's really handy from right outside the hotel. And the place has got a swimming pool and a gym. There'd be outside people that go in there as members. And then more ballrooms, can you believe? More chandeliers, lovely little architectural details on the ceiling there, which is gorgeous. And yes, it was a budget hotel, but we thought it was great. And then the weather came up trumps once again.
Forever, forever.
There was a lovely evening ahead, just like when we first travelled up.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?